Are you making these 5 mistakes that kill your conversions? Stop relying on one traffic source. What if I told you you could double your affiliate income without guessing which niche will work? What if I told you there's a simple way to scale your affiliate business using AI without showing your face or working 12-hour days? This one tracking mistake could destroy your affiliate income in 5 seconds. Here's how to protect yourself in 2026. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor or a lawyer. This content is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making business, legal, or financial decisions. In other words, don't sue me if your Lambo turns out to be a Hot Wheels car. Number 1, AI integration and automation, step-by-step for affiliate marketers. What if I told you there's a simple way to scale your affiliate business using AI without showing your face or working 12-hour days? You can keep your face for your mom, and you can keep your sleep for yourself. Let's break down exactly how to do it step by step. AI-powered affiliate systems are the biggest trend of 2026. According to Statista, 80% of marketers now use AI for content or campaign optimization, and AI-driven campaigns see up to 30% higher ROI, according to HubSpot. That's right, AI is now doing everything except making your morning coffee. But give it a year. Today, I'll show you how to leverage these tools for automation, optimization, and scale, so you can work smarter, not harder. Work smart, not hard. Or if you're like me, work smart and still forget where you put your phone while you're on a phone call. Step 1. Scale content with AI. Choose your tools. Start with ChatGPT, we all know ChatGPT, for scripting, Midjourney for visuals, and Pictory or InVideo for video generation. These tools are affordable, easy to use, and designed for creators at any level. If you can order pizza online, you can use these tools. Create faceless content. Not comfortable on camera? No problem. Script product reviews or tutorials in ChatGPT, generate unique images in Midjourney, and assemble them into TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts using your video tool. Your face stays private, your affiliate links go public, and it's a win-win. Here's an example. Write a review script in ChatGPT, create product images in Midjourney, and use Pictory to turn them into a 60-second video. And if you mess up, just blame the AI. It can't defend itself yet. Step 2, optimize campaigns with machine learning. Pick an AI ad platform. Platforms like AdCreative.ai or Revealbot use machine learning for real-time bid adjustments, so you're not wasting ad spend. Think of it as a robot accountant who never sleeps and never judges your coffee budget. Set up predictive analytics. Use built-in analytics to spot trending offers or partners before they peak. This gives you the first mover advantage. It's like insider trading, but legal and with fewer orange jumpsuits. Monitor and adjust. Check dashboards daily. Let AI optimize your ad spend and placements, but always review the results to learn what's working. Remember, trust the robots, but verify. Skynet isn't running your ads yet. Step 3, automate funnels. Plug-and-play systems. Use System.io or GoHighLevel, aka HighLevel. That's actually their real name, HighLevel, not GoHighLevel, but to bundle your landing pages, product bundles, and email autoresponders. These tools make it easy to build a seamless funnel. If you can drag and drop, you can build a funnel. If you can't, drag your mouse to YouTube tutorials and learn a thing or 3. Set up triggers. Automate email sequences for every new lead. Welcome emails, follow-ups, and bonus offers can all be set up in advance. Test your funnel. Run through your own funnel as a user. Make sure every step is seamless, from opt-in to the purchase. If you get lost in your own funnel, your leads definitely will. Don't be that guy. AI isn't just a buzzword. It's your shortcut to a scalable, sustainable affiliate business. Number 2, high-yield niche selection. How to pick profitable niches in 2026. What if I told you you could double your affiliate income without guessing which niche will work? Imagine picking a niche that actually pays your rent. Wild, right? Here's a proven data-driven process for picking high-yield niches. Awin's 2025 report shows affiliates in high-yield niches earn 2.5 times more than those in general categories. That's like ordering small fries and getting a supersize for free. Let's walk through how to choose a niche that balances demand and profitability, so you can stop guessing and start earning. Step 1. Research trending niches. SaaS and AI tools. Look for recurring commission programs like Jasper, SEMrush, or ConvertKit. These often pay monthly, stacking your income. Recurring commissions, because who doesn't love getting paid while you're binge watching Netflix, right? Personal finance and fintech. Search for high-ticket offers in banking, investing, make money online, or debt management. These niches have high payouts and evergreen demand. If you can't manage your own money, at least make money helping others manage theirs. Health and wellness. Explore sub-niches like longevity, biohacking, or mental health. These are growing fast and have passionate audiences. Biohacking, for people who want to live forever, or at least until the next iPhone drops. Sustainable, eco-friendly. Find affiliate programs for green tech, ethical home goods, or eco subscriptions. Consumers are spending more on sustainability. Save the planet, make a profit. Captain Planet would be so proud of you. And if you know, you know. Step 2, validate demand. Google Trends. Check if your niche is growing or declining. Look for upward trends in the past 12 to 24 months. Keyword research. Use Ahrefs or SEMrush to find search volume and competition. High volume, low competition equals the sweet spot, like finding a parking spot at Costco on a Saturday. Affiliate networks. Browse Awin, Impact, or ShareASale for available programs and commission rates. Make sure they are high-quality offers in your niche. No offers, no money. No money, no avocado toast for brunch. Step 3, assess profitability. Commission structure. Prefer recurring or high-ticket offers. A $100 a month recurring commission beats a one-time $10 payout. Conversion rates. Look for programs with published conversion stats or testimonials. High conversion rates mean more money for you. If their testimonials are just stock photos, run. Audience fit. Make sure you can create content that genuinely helps your target audience. If you're not interested in it, you'll burn out. For example, if you hate cats, don't start a cat blog. The internet will sense your fear. Choosing the right niche is about data, not just passion. Use these steps to find your sweet spot and set yourself up for long-term success. Number 3, advanced traffic strategies and diversification. Stop relying on one traffic source. Instead, use these advanced strategies to diversify and future-proof your affiliate business. If you put all your eggs in one basket, at least make sure it's not TikTok's basket. Organic reach is down 30% since 2023, according to Hootsuite. That's not a typo, that's just the algorithm flexing. Here's how to adapt and thrive with multi-channel traffic so you're never at the mercy of one algorithm, one platform, or any corporation with ulterior motives. You know who you are, Zuck. Step 1, short-form video for rapid discovery. Create TikTok, Reels, Shorts. You can quickly do this by using AI tools for scripting and editing. Short-form video is the fastest way to reach new audiences in the new attention economy. Attention spans are shorter than Tinder relationships now, so here you go.
Yeah, boy.
Post consistently. Aim for 1 to 3 videos per day for the first month. Consistency is the key to building momentum. If you miss a day, don't worry, the algorithm already forgot you. So use viral hooks. Start with a question, bold claim, or a surprising fact to grab attention in the first 3 seconds. Here's a rule to live by. If they're not hooked, you're cooked. Step 2, SEO for AI-powered search, EDO optimization. Add real experience, credentials, and testimonials to your site. Google rewards trustworthy content. Google wants to know you're not a robot. Irony, right? Voice search. Optimize for conversational keywords and FAQs. More users are searching by voice every year. Content clusters. Build resource hubs around your main topics. This helps you rank for more keywords and keeps your visitors on your site longer. It's like a spider web, but less creepy. Step 3, paid media optimization. Test multiple platforms. Run small budget tests on YouTube, Meta, and native ad networks. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Use AI for bidding. Let machine learning optimize your ad spend for the best results. Track ROI, monitor cost per acquisition, and scale what works, cut what doesn't. And, we all say what ROI is. ROI is really obvious indicator, not just return on investment. So it gives you the indication of what's working and what's not. So always keep that in mind. If your ROI is not there, cut your losses. Diversification is the new safety net. Don't let one algorithm change wipe out your entire business. Number 4, conversion rate optimization, CRO, and funnel mastery. Are you making these 5 mistakes that kill your conversions? Let's fix your funnel step by step. The average landing page converts at just 4.02% according to Unbounce, but with the right tweaks, you can double or triple your results, probably even more, or at least get your mom to sign up. Let's break down the most common mistakes and how to fix them. Step 1, A/B testing. Test headlines and call to actions. Use tools like Google Optimize or VWO to run experiments. Change one variable at a time. Only test one element per experiment for clear results. Otherwise, you'll be like, was it the button color or was it the dancing cat gif? You don't know. Track results. Use analytics to measure conversion lifts and keep what works. If your conversion rate goes up, celebrate. If not, just blame Mercury in retrograde or something like that. Step 2, copywriting and storytelling. Lead with a story. Start with a relatable pain point or transformation. Stories build trust and keep viewers engaged. Once upon a time, I had 0 conversions. Now I have slightly more. Use social proof. Add testimonials, reviews, or case studies. People trust people. This is one of the most powerful psychological strategies to increase conversions, by the way. Address objections. Preemptively answer common doubts. The more you address, the higher your conversions. If you can read minds, even better. Step 3, landing page construction. Mobile-first design. Use lead pages, card, or Unbounce for fast, responsive pages. Most traffic is mobile, so if your site looks like Tetris on a phone, it's time to upgrade. Bridge pages, very powerful. Create simple, focused pages that pre-sell the offer and warm up your audience. Think of it as an appetizer before you go to the main course. Resource centers. Build hubs with guides, FAQs, and bonus content to add value and keep visitors engaged. If they're still reading, you're doing something right. CRO is about small, consistent improvements. Every tweak brings you closer to your income goals. Number 5, tracking attribution and compliance, surviving the cookieless era. This one tracking mistake could destroy your affiliate income in 5 seconds. Here's how to protect yourself in 2026. And no, clear cookies isn't just diet advice. With third-party cookies disappearing and privacy laws tightening, 60% of affiliates have lost income due to tracking errors. That's according to IAB in 2025. Here's how to stay compliant and get paid, no matter what changes. Step 1, build first-party data assets. Grow your email list. I know I talk about email a lot, but it's that important. If anybody tells you email's dead, they're lying to you. Run the other way. Use lead magnets and opt-in forms on your site. Your list is your most valuable asset. Your email list is like a toothbrush. Don't share it and use it every day. Segment your audience. Tag subscribers by interest for better targeting and higher conversions. If you send cat memes to dog lovers, expect unsubscribes. Don't do that. Nurture relationships. Send regular, value-driven emails to keep your audience engaged and primed for your offers. If you ghost your list, don't be surprised when they ghost you back. Just keep that in mind. You got to keep contact. Step 2, implement server-to-server tracking. That's called S2S tracking. Choose a platform. Use Volume, RedTrack, or similar tools for advanced tracking. Integrate with affiliate networks. Follow their server-to-server setup guides for accurate attribution. If you get stuck, remember, Google's your friend, or at least your slightly judgmental acquaintance. Test attribution. Run test conversions to ensure everything is tracking correctly. Step 3, stay compliant. Understand regulations. Review GDPR, CCPA, and platform-specific ad policies. Stay up to date. Ignorance isn't an excuse. But officer, I didn't know. Doesn't work there either. Update privacy policies. Clearly disclose data collection and affiliate relationships on your site. If your privacy policy is longer than War and Peace, you're doing the right thing. Monitor sensitive niches. This is very important. Finance and health offers require extra care. In 2025, ad bans were up 22% year over year, according to Ad Age. If you're in crypto, just assume you got a target on your back and you're already on a watch list. Tracking and compliance are the foundation of sustainable affiliate business. Don't risk your income. Get your systems in place now. And remember, "I forgot" is not legal defense. Remember, this is for educational purposes only, and always consult with a professional before making business, legal, or financial decisions. And if you're still here, congrats, you're smarter than 99% of affiliate marketers, and you'd be surprised how many of them don't do this stuff. If you found this valuable, hit the like button and subscribe, and share this with a friend who's ready to scale their affiliate business in 2026. See you in the next video.